Welcome learners. In today's video, we will learn how to write literature review. In this video, I will give you some tips and I will tell you some easy steps to write literature review. So without wasting any further time, let's start this video. Welcome to Murad and Academy, the place where people come to learn. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it and press on the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos. So first I will tell you the 5 steps of doing literature review. Let's start. The first step is search. Yes, you have to search articles, research papers related to your variables, related to your topic. So you be pretty sure, you must be sure about the variables and your topic before you have started searching your research papers related to your topic. Next step we have is evaluate sources. Very important. The research sources are such as websites, scientific research websites such as Google Scholar, Taylor and Francis, Science Direct, Web of Science, which provides you fact-checked journals and so on. Number 3 step is identify trends. You should identify trends by reading literature reviews or searching through the internet or reading one fact-checked journal that is a trend, latest themes, conflicts, theories and gaps. So by reading articles you can also find them easily. Next point is outline structure. Yes, outline the structure of your literature review. How you will outline your structure? Let's learn. First you will write a general literature review related to your variables indirectly or directly. Then you will write your it's up to you. You can start writing by your theory, then dependent variable, independent variable, moderator and mediator, or you can start in this format as well. General literature review, your dependent variable, independent variable, mediator, moderator and theory. Okay, I have told you 2 sequence. You can follow any one of them. One sequence is you can start from your general variable, your theory, dependent variable, independent variable, moderator, mediator. Or you can also start like this: general variable, your dependent variable, independent variable, moderator or mediator and your theory. You can also start your literature review in this sequence as well. You can start from first you can write your independent variable, then dependent variable and so on. You can also start your outline structure like this, starting from your independent variable and so on. So moving to our next step, which is write. Yes, how you will write your literature review. For example, first we are starting your literature review from your dependent variable. Okay, so dependent variable, first what you have to do, you have to write 3 to 4 definitions which you will pick from your book or from your research paper. But keep one thing in your mind: you should give proper authentic citations of that source from where you have picked that definitions, and definition must be in your own words because you have to avoid the plagiarism. Next comes your, after writing 3 to 4 definitions, you will write about your variable. For example, you are writing about independent variable, so you will write independent variable and give references of articles which are published in dependent countries, in developed countries, in developing countries and undeveloped countries. So you have to gather literature from these countries. Okay, after you have done this, then you have to write the relationships of your independent variables. You can easily find them in literature reviews of your articles which you will download for your research. Then comes your other variable, dependent variable. Same is the process. You have to mention the relationships, indirect, direct relationship, positive or negative relationship. Then comes your mediator or moderator variable. Same is the way. Then comes your hypothesis statements which you will develop from this literature review. Then you will develop your research model and you will write your hypothesis statements. This is how you will write your literature review. If you want examples, I have already made a video on literature review, example of literature review. Don't worry, I will give its link in down description below. Do see that after watching this video complete. Moving ahead to our video, next is parts of literature review. The parts are briefly: number 1, the journal. You have to write a journal literature review related to your variables. Then comes your theory, or you can start from your dependent or independent variable. Then comes your variables. You can also start from your dependent or independent variable. It's totally on you. Then comes your moderator and mediator if you have. Then comes your research model which you have to develop. You have to decide whether you are making a conceptual framework which is based totally on your variables concept, or you are making a theoretical framework which is totally based on theories which you will select. Then then comes your moderator. Okay, it will be, then comes your theory framework, search model, as I told you, hypothesis statement, and so on. This is your contents of your literature review which you will include in your literature review. Moving ahead, and that's it for today's video. I hope you learned about literature review. Many things will be cleared from your mind which were not earlier, but I tried my level best to explain, to tell you how you can write a good literature review. So if you learned from my video, then do like it. If you didn't learn anything from my video, then do dislike it. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it, press on the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video and my channel. And if you want any video on any topic if you want any video on any topic related to research, books, websites, business, accounting, business ideas, then do comment down below. I will try my level best to make video on that particular topic. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.